Wanna know how to use JDK Flight Recorder in Java 17? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it, which is built right into Java 17. So first off, simply run your Java program with JFR on. Open your terminal or command prompt. So simply hit towards your Windows, type in cmd and run your command as an administrator. Now once you're done with that, just simply copy this code to the terminal just like this right here. So simply replace your app name to your file or your program's name. So once you're done with that, this starts recording your app's performance for 30 seconds and saves it as recording.jfr. Now next, open up the recording, download and open the JDK Mission Control. In Mission Control, open the recording.jfr file you made to see CPU usage, memory and more. That's it. No changes needed in your code. Just run your app with that command and then analyze later. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.